Welcome back, folks. This is Tommy, Help with Gadgets, and we've got something a little bit different today to do a review on. This is the Oknife U1 Pro, and this one was sent to me by Oknife. First thing first, I want to show that, do a little close-up there and show that I was actually using this knife. So now I'm going to clean it up and make it all nice and presentable. And you know what I could do instead of cleaning that blade off? I could just replace it, which is what this thing is really handy about. It takes standard replaceable utility blades. So let's do our normal thing that we do. And you're looking at about 2 1/4 on the blade length. Overall length is a little over 5 3/4. So not a big knife. Let's bring out the scales here. And you're looking at about 2.85. Not bad at all in that department. All right, for the size of knives, I'm not going to bring out everything here, but we'll show you what there's the penguin. If you're familiar with what the penguin looks like. Here's a Vosteed acorn. And then here is a Sage 6. Gives you an idea what the size of the knife is. Not very big at all. Thickness. Let's look at it against the Sage here. It's a little bit thicker there than the Sage. I think it's going to be about the same size as a penguin there. Actually, it's a little bit thicker than the penguin. And what was the other one we did? The acorn. The acorn is going to be a little bit thicker. As far as in pocket, there it is against the acorn. We'll go ahead and show the similar items that we just showed. And where did I let the other one get to? I guess it was the Sage 6, I believe. All right, and then in pocket, it goes in and out of pocket fine with that clip. Deep carry, so that's all you're going to see there on the knife when it's in pocket. And again, in and out of pocket without any problem. Blade steel, it's going to be whatever you decide to use. That can be a metallic blade or a ceramic blade. Various and sundry ones that I've seen that you can get, and that's up to your imagination on what you want to carry. I did show in the disassembling cleaning video how easy it was to swap out this this blade. You just got to turn that to unlock it, and then this just comes right out, and you put another one in, and you're good to go. In fact, let's go ahead and do that here since we're talking about it. So simply unlock. Pull that out. Let's see. Do I have one? Let's see. I can put a ceramic blade in there. Let's flip that open. At least I'm pretty sure that's a ceramic. Slide that in. And then tighten it back down. And I'll check that, make sure it's in there good. There you go. That's as easy to change out as that. And it comes with that little tool / pry bar bottle opener as well. All right, let's see, anything else? Lanyard hole. It does not have a lanyard hole, But while we're looking back here at the back of the tool, you also see that it has a flip out bit holder, and it is magnetic, so you can take and turn this around. And from what I understand, these are 4mm bits, and so you can choose which bits are most useful for you. Opening and closing methods are, you've got the thumb stud here that you can reverse flick off of. You got the thumb stud, and you can also use that crossbar to open and close. So very easy to do so. Jimping, you do have some jimping here that helps you keep it in hand just fine. It's actually not bad as far as the comfort. It's a little bit small for me. I'm gonna probably just use the three fingers here, and that half of that pinky finger if I'm holding on to this knife. Let's see here, what else? Price on this one is about $35, $34.99. Not bad when you consider you get a utility blade, plus you get this button lock bit holder, and you have that in your pocket at all times. I can see cases where that would be extremely useful. So these are scale material is G10. Although no, on this one it's a micarta. It's an orange micarta, but you can also order, or you can buy variants with G10 with carbon fiber overlays. They have a green micarta, they have this orange micarta, and then they have some limited runs apparently with various and sundry other materials that they have. This micarta feels pretty good, not a problem at all. Just, it makes a nice little knife for $34.99. And I don't know, you could even find it on sale sometimes. And in fact, I'll have links down below in the description to both the Amazon store and the Oknife site. So check those out there. Really cool knife. And if you are a regular attendee of my lives on Thursday nights, currently the night that I do them at 9:30 p.m., this one's probably going to be a giveaway here in the not too distant future. So please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't done so. Please leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this this little tool. I won't call it necessarily a knife, but it does a lot that a regular pocket knife would do, and at a really decent price in my opinion. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Hope to see you again soon. Thanks for watching.